Halo, Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, hello my teeners. I used to call all my viewer in my YouTube channel is teeners. Teeners is I call for the my viewer in YouTube channel Info Teen Fatin. In this video, I want to demonstration about vital sign assessment for the patient. Please check it out and don't forget like, subscribe, and share. In this vital sign, maybe I'm not teach all of you, just I share little knowledge about how vital sign in KSA because KSA is different country from
Halo,
others.
Assalamualaikum
Some patient
warahmatullahi
is really
wabarakatuh.
review.
Welcome
Check
to
it
my
out. Thank you for
channel
watching.
Info Teen Fatin with Titin. Let me introduce myself. I'm Titin working in MOHKSA as nurse. In this video, I want to explain to all of you guys about how to check vital sign of patient. In this video, I will not teach all of you, but just I want to share my knowledge about how to check vital sign. Vital sign mean what the composition of vital sign for patient. For example, one doctor advise you or tell you, please check the vital sign of patient. Mean there is four. First, number one is check the temperature. Number two is the respiratory rate of patient. Number three is BP, and number four is pulse. For the ordinary patient, we will check the vital sign as I tell you: respiratory rate, BP, temperature, and pulse. But for example, the patient is for referral to other hospital. Usually in the form referral, we will be complete vital sign. Not only temperature and BP, not only respiratory and pulse, but there is weight, height, and BMI. That is, as nurse, we should know how to calculate it from any age. For example, for pedia, adult, and elderly usually is different range of BP, different range of respiratory rate, and different range of uh, pulse. In this session, for example, number one, I will check BP of patient. As I know, and in my I'm working now, there is three kind of BP. This one is digital BP. We just put this one on, and then we will put the cup in the patient 2 centimeter from the brachial of patient. This one is we call digital BP. And then number two is manual. Usually I will use this manual BP is for referral patient. I will take it with one ambulance if the ambulance is not available BP. Some ambulance is really not complete, so we will bring. Or this one, some patient is not really cannot come in our room, and then we will recheck again in his room. In his room or her room not available, we will check by this one. And number three is this one is mercury. Actually, we will not use this one anymore because, as they said, is forbidden for us. But still, we keep it for emergency case, just to compare how much result from digital, how much result from the manual, and how much result from the mercury. They said some from the digital BP is not reading valid, so we will check from the manual or we will check from the mercury. Number two, another kind of means of vital sign means we will check the temperature. We have also three kind of thermometer. This one we can call is digital. Digital, we just put in the under the tongue of patient, and then there is thermometer probe, and then just we will put to patient. Okay. And number two is this one very rare using nowadays because really this one is too old. This one is mercury. We have also disposable probe, thermometer, and then this one is disposable probe. This one is thermometer. And number three is nowadays is happening in the pandemic because at least we have 1 meter from 3 until 5 centimeter from our position for the patient. Just like that, we will know the result how many degree of the patient. We start use this gun thermometer since pandemic. And then some patient, some doctor we will ask to nurse to check the oxygen saturation. For example, some patient is complaining difficult to breathe, and then chest pain. We are as nurse, even some doctor is not order for the check saturation. We will know this patient, I think, need to check saturation, oxygen saturation. This one we will use oximeter, we call. Just we put here, press like that, and then we will put in the tab of patient or another thing. And number 4 is just respiratory rate. Respiratory rate, no need anything. I mean the just we calculate from the inhale and exhale. That is to calculate the respiratory rate. I'll tell you how much range of the BP. BP normal is 120 by 80. We can call the high BP for the patient if the result is coming 90 over 140. That is we can call BP high. And the lowest BP high we can call from the 60 by 90. And respiratory rate they call 12 for the adult, 12 until 20. More than 25 we can call high respiratory, and the lowest 12 we can call is maybe the patient is have something with them. And then for the temperature normal we can start from the 36.1 until 37.2. More than 38 the patient is already have fever, maybe cause of illness, cause of the infection. That is we need to report to our doctor. So let me repeat. The vital sign means by BP, respiratory rate, temperature, and pulse. And some doctor will ask to check weight, height, and BMI, and oxygen saturation. Okay, thank you. I hope this video will be useful for all of you, my viewer in YouTube channel. For the next video, I will try to how to practice to check this to check with one patient to check BP, respiratory rate, pulse, and temperature. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The second video, I want to demonstration in front of all of you, my viewer, about how to check BP. Check BP that I explained to all of you before about BP, vital sign mean BP, respiratory rate, pulse, and temperature. Okay. Now I will really practice in front of patient. I asked already permission to him. Is he agreed to take our video? Number 1, I will close the door or curtain. We will really protect the privacy of patient. Okay. Close the door or curtain. So mean really we protect the privacy of patient. Number 2, we will perform the hand hygiene. Okay, hand hygiene we can use the hand sanitizer or we will wash our hand. Just to before and after we will some procedure or we will touch after and before after touch the patient we will perform the hand hygiene. Okay. Number 1, let me start from the BP. Okay. To check BP, as I tell you before, there is we can check by manual, digital, and mercury. Each patient we will do by spray sanitizer for each patient, because in this pandemic everything we should be careful how to take care our patient, take care ourselves to prevent the infection nosocomial from us on from them to us, like that. I mean, number 1, I will check BP. Before the check vital sign, we will make sure we will ask the patient is really correct name and correct patient. Okay, please remove this one. Okay, and 2 centimeter from the brachialis. Please little near shine. We will check this one. Remove. Some patients, some female here in KSA, they will refuse to check by removing dress. But as long as the result is valid, is okay. And then we will press this one button and we will start. Okay. We will start by this one. We will see the result how much BP. BP normal for the adult is 80 by 120. The below 180 and below the 90, that is the BP low. and more than 90 by 140, that is we can make the category BP high. This one I ask already permission to patient to check the BP and other vital sign to make video, so it's okay. Usually after this we will write in the nurse note and or other why we need to check vital sign by order of doctor. And then number 2, during we can check one by one. This one we can tell is the lower pulse because below the 60. Okay. This one by digital we can read by digital we can read direct the pulse. But if manual we can check the pulse by femoralis, brachialis, and this one radialis, right? And then we can put this our 2 finger here. That is brachialis. We can calculate direct in 1 minute. Usually normal is 60 until 100. That is in the normal. Below 60 and more than 100 we can call bradycardy or tachycardy. We can calculate also in the 30 minute multiply by 2. That is the result of our pulse of the patient, I mean. For the temperature, we can use the digital, or we can use by, in this pandemic, we use by gun thermometer. From the patient to sister or to doctor or to nurse 3 until 5 meter, we can start direct like that. And patient standing or we are the standing, we will see the result here. 36.5, the normal is 36.1 until 37.2. The respiratory rate starting from 12 until 20. Some preference is different result. Just we will calculate from the inhale and exhale. That is one respiratory rate. That is I check BP, temperature, respiratory, and pulse. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my videographer. Thank you for the patient. Thank you. Shukran.